On behalf of Expert Village, I'm Terry, and today I'm going to show you how to use a welder. Alright, this is a Mig Welder. The acronym for Mig Welder is metal inert gas. That's what it's known as in the industry. Meaning that your weld is shielded with some type of gas, whether it be helium or argon oxygen mixture. This particular machine is shielded with what we call a 75-25. It's 75% argon, 25% oxygen. And what the shielding your weld does, it keeps all the impurities that's mixed up in our atmosphere from getting into our weld, which will cause a bubble, which is what we call porosity in our weld. If you got any voids in your weld, then you don't have a strong weld. So the first thing you want to do when you pull your welder up is you want to inspect the nozzle. This being the nozzle, this being the gun. It's called the gun because it has a trigger. Some have an insulating cut where you just pull the nozzle off. This is a Lincoln brand, so it is screwed on. Your nozzle is usually copper or brass. Okay, this is called the cone. This is what surrounds the gas and directs it towards your weld. There's holes in here where your gas comes out. This is the tip. This gets changed periodically, as does this. But I'll show you later there is a way to clean this up, and you don't have to keep buying nozzles over and over and over.